What are the advantages and disadvantages of warrants? Know-how in share. We provide guidance and support for beginners and esteemed investors to explore and achieve investment goals. In our Facebook page, Know-how in Share, we provide short videos for stock market knowledge, experience, and surviving tips. What are the advantages of warrant? The warrant prices are typically low. The leverage and the gearing the company offer are typically high, generating potentially larger capital gains and losses. That means warrant is more affordable as it is cheaper compared to the mother share. Therefore, we could purchase more quantity and leverage up with the same budget we have for the mother share. For example, we have budget of 6,000 ringgit. Private counter is trading at 6 ringgit, while the warrant is trading at 3 ringgit. For the 6,000 ringgit, we could purchase 1,000 units of mother share, or we could purchase 2,000 units of warrants. As a result, we could be earning more by investing into the warrants, provided the warrant price is following the mother price to moving up simultaneously. That means the mother share up 1 cent, the warrant up 1 cent as well. As mentioned earlier, the leverage and the gearing the warrants offer can be high, but this could be the disadvantages for the warrants holder as well. Because if the mother price drop, the warrant will be dropping as well. It might incur higher losses by investing into the warrants rather than the mother share. Any tips for trading of warrant? Invest into warrants if the mother share is in positive sentiment, which is uptrend. It will be lower risk compared to invest into the mother when it is downtrend, keep dropping, which might incur huge losses. In conclusion, investing in warrant is higher risk than investing in mother share, and it's better to trade warrants when the mother is in uptrend, which you could leverage up and earn more. Last but not least, please avoid warrants when the market is bad or the mother share price sentiment is bad, which it might incur huge losses if you do not know how to cut loss or manage it. Feel free to follow our Facebook page, Know-how in Share, for stock market knowledge, experience, and surviving tips. Know-how in Share, your share market buddy. Thank you.